morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and today I am going to discuss chapter 1, that is knowing our number. So today we will discuss about introduction of the chapter, students. Ki what is in the chapters, which things we will discuss, and what is the actual thing of the knowing our number. मतलब what is the basic concept of this chapter. Clear, student? So student, as the chapter name is knowing our numbers, ठीक है ना? It means the main focus should be on कि what is the number, what is the use of number, why we are studying about the numbers. Clear, student? तो as you know that जैसे in previous class we discuss about the number, your teacher discuss about the number. So here we will revise the same thing. Clear, student? We will discuss the numbers. कि what is the numbers, why we are using the numbers. So student, as you know that in mathematics the knowledge of the number is very important, ठीक है ना? Because everything is depend on the numbers, everything is depend on the knowledge of the numbers. अब जैसे you know that कि numbers are what, you know that student, numbers, what are the numbers? You know that कि like 1, 2, 3 and so on, they are known as the numbers, ठीक है ना? अब what is the need of numbers, student? Need of the numbers, जैसे if you are going to the market for purchasing a copy whose cost is rupees 30, ठीक है ना? One is 13 and one is 30. So if you don't know about the difference between 13 and 30, so how you can identify कि what you have to pay. Clear, student? So मतलब for basic life, for anything, for mathematics, it is very important for the knowledge of the numbers. Clear, student? Because this is the base of the mathematics, ठीक है ना? So it is very important to know about the actual meaning of the numbers. First thing. Second thing, student, here I written 1, 2, 3 and so on. They are known as the natural, ठीक है ना? As well as they are known as the what? Counting. What is the meaning of counting, student? As the name indicate, counting numbers. Counting numbers, student, मतलब which we can count, ठीक है ना? जैसे this is a blackboard. तो how many blackboard? Here you can see only one blackboard, ठीक है ना? I have chalk, तो one chalk, ठीक है ना? तो counting number are the natural number. मतलब counting मतलब which you can count. If I want to ask कि how many students are in the classroom, you can count the number of students. How many boys are sitting in the classroom? How many girls are sitting in the classroom? ठीक है ना? You can count. तो natural number are the what? All counting numbers which we can count, ठीक है ना? These are about natural number and counting. A knowledge of the number, why it is important, student? Because everywhere there is a need of the numbers. If you know about the correct knowledge of the number, you can perform the task, ठीक है ना? If you have to go to the market for purchase something, ठीक है ना? Or at your home anyone asks you for addition, subtraction, ठीक है ना? तो on the basis of these knowledge you can do the sums, you can do anything which is related to the daily life. Clear, student? You can count very easily. So due to this, the knowledge of the number is very important, ठीक है ना? अब now first thing is the number, student, ठीक है ना? This is the natural number. तो natural number मतलब counting number, ठीक है ना? Like 1, 2, 3 and so on. अब now the second thing is digits. The second things are digits. What is digits, student? What is digits? So you know that, student, digits are start from 0 and 0 to 9, ठीक है ना, student? Digits are what? Digits are 0 to 9. What is the requirement of this digit, student? What is the need of this? So digits are very useful, ठीक है ना? Without digit we cannot imagine the number. क्यों? Because with the help of digit we can form the number. With the help of digit we can form the number. So in other words, student, you can say कि digits are required for the formation of the numbers, ठीक है ना? अब जैसे मान लो you have to write down what? You have to write down 21. 1 minute, student. So student, we were discussing about digits. So digits are, what is the requirement of the digits, student? Digits are used for the formation of the number. For example, you have to write down 27. For example, you have to write down 27, ठीक है ना? तो 27 is the combination of 2 and 7, ठीक है ना, student? 2 and 7, and 2 and 7 lies between 0 and 9. Clear, student? तो see here you can see कि digits are required for the formation of any number. अब जैसे let us assume you have to write down largest 4 digit number. You have to write down students what? You have to write down largest 4-digit number. Clear student? We know that what is the largest 4-digit number? 9,999. Clear everyone? To see 9,999 how you can form when you know that about the correct knowledge of the digits. Ab you know that digits are start from 0 and to the 9. Total 10 digits are there. Clear student? तो देखिए here with the help of 4 9 you can form the largest 4-digit number. If you have to find out the smallest 4-digit number student, तो what you can write down 1 and 3 0. ठीक है ना? देखो what is the base of this formation? You can say कि this is the combination of 0 and 1 or this is the combination of 9. तो देखो everything is depend on your digits. Everything is depend on your digits. Here 0 to 9. With the help of 0 to 9 you can make any digit, any largest, any smallest. ठीक है ना student? So these are the things of the numbers and the what? Digits. ठीक है ना? These are the basic concept of the numbers and digits. ठीक है ना? तो digits are the basic structure of the numbers. ठीक है ना? Digits are most important thing for the formation of the number. Clear student? Okay. चलिए. So this now come to the place value. Come to the student place value. ठीक है ना? The next thing is that student place value. ठीक है? अब देखिए place value मतलब अब जैसे देखिए place मतलब स्टूडेंट there are two things. One is place value, one is face value. ठीक है ना? तो place value may be changed. कैसे? जैसे now you are living in Gorakhpur, maybe for further study you can go Delhi or Mumbai or anywhere else. ठीक है ना? And for simple example, जैसे देखो now presently you are studying in class 6. After 1 year, when final examination done, when you will pass the examination, so you will go in 7th class. So student your place is changed. अब what is the face value student? Face value मतलब जैसे if your birthplace is Gorakhpur, मान लो if your birthplace is Gorakhpur, ठीक है ना? तो it will never be changed because your birthplace is constant. ठीक है ना? अब now again you will not take birth ना, ठीक है? तो for this time period your birthplace is constant. ठीक है ना? Now date of birth, everyone know date of birth. If your date of birth is 2005, so it will never be changed. ठीक है ना? तो these are what? These are the face value. मतलब face value will never be changed. ठीक है ना? Your name मतलब maybe मतलब some student can change the name जैसे their parents change the name, but maximum they cannot change the name. If you give the board examination, so your name will not be changed. ठीक है ना? Not at all. तो something are whose value will never be changed, they are known as face value, and whose value will change, they are known as place value. Clear student? अब place value student देखिए place value there are two type of place value. ठीक है ना? One is national or Indian. National or Indian place value. Indian. Clear student? National or Indian. तो here I am writing देखिए. It is given in your book. जैसे ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, करोड़, फिर 10 करोड़. ठीक है ना? देखिए ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, करोड़, 10 करोड़. ठीक है ना? This is our place value chart. ठीक है ना? On the basis of this you can write down the place value. ठीक है ना? अब देखिए तो it will come on once, it will come on once period, it will come on 1000, it will come on lakh, it will come on crore. ठीक है ना? देखिए in your book the chart is given, if you will see carefully तो देखिए once, 1000, फिर lakh, फिर crore. ठीक है ना? This is given in your book properly. ठीक है ना? What is the mean of this? What is the mean of this? I will explain. What is the actual meaning of this? First we will discuss about the place value. ठीक है ना? अब देखिए this is ones, this is tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Clear student? ठीक है ना? This is the place value chart according to national or Indian place value chart. अब जैसे मान लो it is given 3, 7, 5, 6, 2. This is given a number you have to put on the place value chart. ठीक है ना? तो first is what? First is ones. So 2 you will write down ones. ठीक है ना? 6 is given tens on tens place, तो 6 you will write down here. ठीक है. 5 is on 100 place, so you will write down here 100. Clear? देखिए very easy. When you have to put the value, 7 is on 1 tens 100 1000, so you will write down 1000. फिर 3 is on 10,000, you will write down 10. Clear? देखो this is very easy. Once you know the chart, you will write down the number on the correct place value according to correct place value. So here what you will read, 1 tens 100 1000 10,000. This is what? This is 37,562. Clear student? So this is about national Indian place value chart. Only you have to write down the number according to the place value chart. This is ones, first is ones, second is tens, with hundreds, with thousand, with 10,000, with lakh, with 10 lakh, with crore, with 10 crore. ठीक है ना? On the basis of this, you can fill the chart. If in this question I want to know what is the face value. अब देखो question is changed student. Question is face value. You have to find out face value ना. तो face value you know that if I want to know what is the face value of 2, you will write down 2 because face value will never be changed. I give it the example. 6 face value of 6 is 6. But if I want to know what is the place value of 5, so what you will write down 5 or hundreds. 5 hundreds. ठीक है ना? If I want to know the place value of 3, so 3 1 tens 100 1000 10,000, 3 10,000. Clear student? So this is about face value and place value. Clear? Now what is the use of this student? Why I am writing this? This is ones, with 10,000, with lakh, with crore. This is known as a student. This is known as periods. This is known as periods. What is the meaning of this? This we will use when we want to use the correct place of comma. If I want to know कि where we have to put the correct comma, तो we will use this. अब देखिए, तो first comma देखो, this is the first period, this is the first period, ठीक है ना? मतलब ones period. तो ones tens 100. After 100 you will put first comma because this consists in the same family. This belongs to the same family. Ones tens 100. ठीक. फिर now come to the thousand family. देखो 1000 10,000 और नहीं 1000 फिर 10,000. This belongs to the second family. It means the first comma you will place after 100. ठीक है ना? मतलब after 3 digit. फिर second comma you will place after 2 digit. Yes student. Next thing, this is our third period. देखो, this is lakh, this is 10 lakh. Clear everyone? तो third comma you will place after फिर 2 digit. फिर fourth comma you will place after again 2 digit. चलो, let us take an example. You will understand. देखिए, if we have to put the comma, this is given question 7 3 4 8 9 5 2. This is given the number. ठीक है ना? अब you have to put the correct comma. ठीक है ना? अब where you have to write down, where you have to put the comma. So you know that first period ones tens 100. यानी first comma you will put after hundreds. देखो ones tens फिर 100. ठीक है ना? This is clear because this consists the first period. फिर second comma you will put student 1000 and 10,000. तो देखो 1000 and 10,000. ठीक है ना? तो देखो on the basis of this you can put the comma very easily. ठीक है ना? यानी in national place value chart or Indian place value chart student, first comma you will put after 100 because this comes in the first period. ठीक है ना? Second comma you will put after 1000 10,000. फिर third comma you will put after lakh and 10 lakh. Further fourth comma you will put on crore and 10 crore. So this is about what student? National place value chart. ठीक है ना? Now come to the international place value chart. ठीक है ना? तो I think national place value chart और Indian place value chart is there. अच्छा, once the question come कि put the comma according to place value chart and if it is not mentioned कि national place value chart or international place value chart, तो always you will put according to the Indian place value chart. If not mentioned, if nothing is mentioned, if it is mentioned कि you have to put the comma according to Indian place value chart or international place value chart, so you will use the concept. अब now come on international place value chart. Now come on international place value chart. ठीक है ना? चलो, अब what is in this? We will discuss. देखो, here it will start ones, tens, 100. This will say ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, फिर 100,000, 1000, 10,000 फिर 100,000. ठीक है ना, वंस टेंस 100, 1000 10,000 100,000, ठीक है ना, फिर मिलियन 10 मिलियन, मिलियन 10 मिलियन, फिर 100, ठीक है ना। देखो वंस टेंस 100, 1000 10,000, फिर 100,000, फिर मिलियन 10 मिलियन, फिर 100 मिलियन, फिर आफ्टर मिलियन इट विल कम बिलियन, ठीक है ना। तो देखो दिस प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट आल्सो गिवन इन योर बुक, ठीक है ना। तो देखिए अब हियर फिर वी विल ड्रॉ द लाइन, ठीक है ना। अब देखिए दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज आवर वंस, ठीक है ना, बट दिस इज आवर 1000, फिर दिस इज आवर मिलियन, ठीक है ना। तो देखिए फर्स्ट इज वंस टेंस, फिर 100, सेकेंड इज 1000 10,000 100,000, फिर नेक्स्ट इज मिलियन 10 मिलियन 100 मिलियन। अब व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस चार्ट, इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट एंड इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट। तो देखो व्हेन यू विल सी स्टूडेंट इन योर बुक, दिस इज गिवन वंस टेंस 100, फिर 1000 10,000 100,000, मिलियन 10 मिलियन 100 मिलियन, यानी वंस टेंस 100 टू सेम, ठीक है ना। अब इन इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट इट वाज गिवन वंस टेंस 100, 1000 10,000, फिर lakh, ठीक है ना, 1000 10,000, फिर आफ्टर इट इज गिवन lakh, बट हियर इट इज गिवन 1000 10,000 100,000, ठीक है ना, फिर मिलियन 10 मिलियन 100 मिलियन। तो वन थिंग इट इज क्लियर कि हियर इन इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट you can see the first period to same, but here second period is different. Why different? Because after here 1000 10,000 फिर 100,000, ठीक है ना, here 1000 फिर ये this is 10,000 1000 10,000 1000 10,000 100,000, ठीक है ना। तो what is the difference? Here first period is same, second period is 1000 10,000 100,000, but here 1000 10,000 फिर lakh will come on the third period, but this is quite different. अब देखिए if here you have to put, जैसे for example I am going to take student, देखो जैसे you have to put 7 here, 7 3 4 6 9 2, this is the example I am taking. तो once tens 100 1000 10,000, फिर this is what 100,000, ठीक है ना। तो देखिए once you will put here once, फिर tens on the place of 9 फिर 100 on the place of 6, तो once tens 100, फिर देखिए 1000 तो on the place of 1000, फिर 10,000 on the place of 3, फिर 100,000 on the place of 100,000, ठीक है ना। देखिए this is very easy, once tens 100 1000 10,000 फिर 100,000, clear student। तो देखिए on the basis of this place value chart you can put the value. अब you have to find out the value. तो here you know that this is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000, this is 100,000. This is the place value student. Clear everyone? Now अब in this question if I want to know about the face value, you know that the face value is also always same. तो face value is 2 is 2, face value of 9 is 9, face value of 6 is 6, मतलब all are same. तो it doesn't matter कि it is Indian place value chart or international place value chart, ठीक है ना, face value will never be changed. It doesn't matter it is Indian place value chart or international place value chart. But this is very important, you know about the correct place, you know about the periods, ठीक है ना, they are also known as what, they are periods. Period. अब देखिए अब here how you will put comma student, because जैसे for example 6 7 2 3 7 8 9 2, मान लो दिस इज एग्जांपल, ठीक है। अब देखिए once tens 100, यानी द फर्स्ट कॉमा यू विल प्लेस आफ्टर व्हाट, सेम थिंग आफ्टर 100, once tens 100, ठीक है ना। फिर नेक्स्ट इज 1000 10,000 with 100,000, because the second period is 10,000, there you will put second comma. Clear student? अब थर्ड कॉमा you will place after million 10 million 100 million. Clear student? It is clear, यानी according to this it is clear कि in international place value chart you will put the comma after what, after 3 digit, but don't learn it, you have to try to understand why we are putting. If anyone asks at home or anywhere else why you are putting the comma after 3 digit, so what you will say student, because the international place value chart, first period is of ones, tens, hundred, second period is of thousand, 10,000, 100,000, third period is of million, 10 million, 100 million. Due to this, we are putting the comma according to the place value chart. Clear, student? So this is our place value chart of national and international place value chart. Clear, student? So this is about place value chart, student. Now come to the next thing. So place value I think everyone clear कि how to put the commas. ठीक है ना? अब चलिए now come to the next thing. अब the next thing is student a comparison of the number. Comparison of the number. So comparison of the number. अब देखिए student, what is the meaning of this comparison of the numbers? Comparison मतलब we have to compare the number is which number is greater, which number is smaller. So this is very easy task. You know that जैसे एक number is given 6, 3, 5, 8 or 5, 3, 6, 2. तो देखो first you will compare. देखिए अब here 6,358, here 5,362. So which one is greater, student? You can easily see which one is greater. Here first digit is 6, here first digit is 5. ठीक है ना? So which one is greater? You know that this one is greater. ठीक है ना? अब let us assume this is given 5, 5, 6, 3, 5, 5, 6, 0. तो देखो this is the very small example. If it come very large example, so how you can distance guess कि which one is greater, which one is smaller. तो देखो 5 first digit. You cannot judge anything, ठीक है ना? Because both are equal. फिर 5 second digit, फिर 5 second digit. Again you cannot compare because both are equal. 6 is third digit, 6 is third digit. Again you cannot compare, student. फिर here fourth digit is 3 और fourth digit is 0. ठीक है ना? तो now easily you can compare which one is greater, student. This one is greater. This one. ठीक है ना? So so many questions are given based on this. So we will solve this. Clear, student? Which one is greater, which one is smaller. ठीक है ना? And by seeing you can also judge. Which one is greater, which one is smaller. Because now I think you are 6th standard in class 5. You did lots of questions based on this. ठीक है ना? तो I think you are able to understand how to compare. ठीक है ना, student? अब now come to the next thing. अब the next thing is, student. Next thing is our Roman numeral. Roman numerals. What is Roman numerals, student? Everyone know about Roman numerals, I think. ठीक है ना? Roman numerals is the representation of the natural numbers in the form of Roman number. ठीक है ना? This is the type of representation. अब कैसे? You know that कि some Roman numerals I am writing 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1. ठीक है ना? अब what is this? This is 1, this is 5, this is what 10, this is what 50, this is 100, this is 500, this is 1000. Yes, student? So this is our some Roman numerals. ठीक है ना? अब with the help of this you can find out the number. One thing, if one important rule, if a greater Roman numeral is, if a greater Roman numeral, yes, if एक मिनट 1 minute, student. देखिए अब in this how you have to perform the task. तो यार one simple rule देखिए, if smaller Roman numeral is right hand side of, if a smaller Roman numeral is right hand side of greater Roman numeral, then we will add. अब देखो, for example I will explain greater Roman numeral, then we will add. अब कैसे? जैसे मान लो this is the example. देखो this is 5 and this is what? You know that this is 2. The smaller Roman numeral is right hand side of the greater Roman numeral. So what is the rule, student? We will add. You know that 5 plus 2 becomes 7 and you know that this is 7. So by this we can prove. ठीक है ना? Similarly its reverse is if the smaller Roman numeral is left hand side of the greater Roman numeral. If smaller Roman numeral is left hand side of the greater numeral. देखिए if smaller Roman numeral is left hand side of greater Roman numeral, then we will subtract. ठीक है ना? देखो if smaller Roman numeral is left hand side of this is left hand side of greater Roman numeral, then we will subtract. For example, जैसे देखिए you know that this is 1, this is 10. अब देखिए 1 is smaller than 10. ठीक है ना? तो what is the rule? If smaller Roman numeral is left hand side of the greater Roman numeral, then we will subtract. So this is right hand side, this is left hand side. So smaller Roman numeral lies to the left hand side of the greater Roman numeral. So what we will do, student? We will subtract. Yani 10 minus 1 it will come 9, and you know that the value is clear, student. So now here we discuss lots of introduction, natural number, digits, फिर Roman numeral, फिर place value chart. ठीक है स्टूडेंट? अब now in next video we will discuss the some other things. ठीक है ना? तो till revise all things. ठीक है ना? Try to solve the question, and in next video we will discuss the some other concept. Clear, student? Thank you.